just hooked a good fish. I cast out a long way behind the boat, just hoping to see if they're sitting a little wider, and it's brought the results.
But beautiful, look at that. Beauty. Oh, the hook's on.
Well, it looks like the floaters are starting to work. I've downed my sinker size. We were fishing a little heavier, and I put a small lead on and a nice tail bait of a pilchard, and it's brought the results. A beautiful red from Coffs Harbour.
After catching a beautiful snapper, things have gone a bit quiet. Aside from a couple of red rock cod, Scott has been the only one to catch anything. So now is probably a good time to prepare some lunch. What I've decided, I did bring some little ingredients with me. I'm going to make up some sushi. Now, we prepared the rice earlier. Take 2 cups of sushi rice and wash it 3 times through until the water becomes clear. Transfer the rinsed rice into a saucepan. With 3 cups of water, give it a stir and let the rice sit. After the rice is soaked for around about 30 minutes, we turn on the heat and bring it to the boil. Then we put the lid on, turn the heat down lower, and leave the rice to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the rice is cooked and you see the steam coming through the holes, transfer the rice to a flat surface and add plenty of sushi seasoning. Stir the seasoning through and fan the rice, cooling it down to room temperature. Now, first thing we're going to use is our nori roll. Basically all it is just dried seaweed that's toasted. I'm going to put the sunny side down first. Then spread your sushi rice evenly on the nori roll, leaving a small gap around the edges. Now I'm ready to add my ingredients. Firstly, I'm going to add a thin strip of wasabi down the middle. Then a layer of thinly sliced avocado, red capsicum, some fresh crisp cucumber, and strips of smoked salmon. Okay, so as you can see, I've just made a square a little bit smaller than the actual nori roll itself. That just helps when I'm rolling it, that we can actually get that nice round roll with the rice. So just hold the food here, come through, and bring it all the way to the end. Okay, and press nice and firm. And there we have it. I'm going to pop it in the fridge, and the moisture just helps soften the nori roll. I think we're on at the back there. There's somebody onto a fish. Oh, you're on it, aren't you?
Hey, get back to the kitchen. Not much happening out here. Another nice Coffs red.
Scotty just hooked up his 3rd snapper of the day, but based on size alone, I'm still 1 up on him. So I'm going back to finishing the sushi rolls. Once done, I wrap them in cling film and place them in the fridge for later. After some great fishing, the boys are getting a little hungry. So I grabbed some sushi rolls I prepared earlier and cut them up ready to plate. Here we go, boys, some nice sushi rolls for you. Oh, look at that. Get into it, boys, get into it.
Beautiful.
Dig in, boys. You blokes are animals, look here.
Yeah, we've chipped away quite a few. So we've got a few nice reds for the cook up tonight,
Yeah,
for the cook to whip us up a wonderful feed.
Certainly looking forward to that. You can not only hook them, you can cook them.
Yeah. We've had an incredible morning on the Triton, with perfect conditions, great company, and fantastic fishing. We could keep going all day, but Paul and Brendan have to get back to Coffs and make a start on dinner. Coming up next, find out what Paul and Brendan cook up for our guests.